All right, it's Thursday night, and we're going to dive into some details on this approaching winter storm for Saturday night into Sunday. And I'll word of caution: there's no updated data yet, so things I think tonight will start to lock in the final solution. What's going to happen? I'm going to give you what my thoughts are for the storm and try to do it in 2 minutes. I put this map out yesterday. I tweaked it this morning. Here's what I think, guys. Saturday afternoon, front end thump of snow basically for this whole area here. Okay, everyone's gonna see some snow to start. Down here, maybe not. Several inches could pile up over the first several hours, especially in the dark pink zone, northern New Jersey. Down here, maybe a few inches. Then it changes to sleet, and I actually think it does change to rain. Really, where this line is right here. Okay, after that is where things can get a little concerning because although it's going to stay snow up in New England, even probably Massachusetts, more of Massachusetts like this. I think that there could be a major icing concern for northwestern New Jersey, even all of northern New Jersey, up into New England. In particular, there's going to be a narrow band of freezing rain somewhere that is going to probably cause some severe impacts. It's hard to predict freezing rain. It doesn't happen over a wide area. The models can't predict it accurately, but I do think we're going to see a band of freezing rain, and I'll describe why in a minute. Here's what's going to happen tonight, by the way, maybe an inch or two of snow, but let's move on to the main weekend event. So as we get to Saturday, by the time we get to late in the afternoon, snow is going to spread into most of the area. I think this model looks fairly accurate. From there, warm air, because the low is to our west, so warm air is going to be trying to come in from the south aloft, not at the surface, and start to change that snow to rain, central Jersey south, and I actually think this is a little too far north. I think this will shift more down. And then ice in northern Jersey, and eventually by the time we get to, 1 o'clock in the morning Sunday, up in southern New England as well. Now, there are models that are suggesting that this process stays held off a little longer. This is the German model, which is not a very reliable model, but this actually doesn't look bad to me, guys. I think we do see a front end of thump of snow on Saturday late afternoon to Sunday night before a changeover. And then finally, you're going to see, as we get into Sunday, all out snowstorm, well over a foot up here, and then we're going to see ice continue North Jersey, rain to the south, and then maybe a little snow on the back end. Now, here's what's interesting. The reason why I think we're not going to see rain in northwest New Jersey into southern New England is there is a dense, cold Arctic air mass in place of this storm on Saturday morning. It's not easy to just bring in warm air and overcome an air mass this dense. So what's going to probably happen is, although the storm will bring in warm air aloft, you're looking at 5,000 feet, I think that even though the line at 5,000 feet might come up to southern New England, at the surface, I think these temperatures are going to hold. I really do. I think, again, if you draw a line, and I think this is overdone with warm temps, from, say, outside of Philadelphia, northwest, up to northern New Jersey, New England, I think it stays frozen the whole event. I really do. So take this line, adjust it south maybe by 40 miles, and I think that's where you're going to see the major icing event. So this is what I have. New data comes out tomorrow, but I just want to prime you guys what my thoughts are. This could be quite significant, but